Hey, what's up guys, Umang here, and from last couple of weeks I got many requests on Instagram to make vector avatar and I couldn't reply to each and every one of you. So let me clear one thing, I make only paid vectors and there are so many people who can't pay or can't afford. So I decided to make this video to show you and help you guys with the vector avatar. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your vector avatar on phone which look professional. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Import your photo from layers tab and select an image to add. Select the plus icon and create a color layer. Now reduce the opacity of your main picture. It's upon yours to select any tool. I am comfortable with this tool. After selecting the right tool, start shaping the hair with the respective color. Now create a new color layer and do the same for the face, ears, neck, t-shirt and all other stuffs. Don't skip the video if you really want to make your better vector avatar. Follow my steps and I will see you at the end of this video. Once you finish with the vector avatar, change the background color as per your choice. I will go with the white color because I like white color in vector avatar. I will drop an application link below in the description. Now it's time to export. Tap 3 lines at the bottom left side and export as PNG or JPEG, whatever you want as image type, and you are good to go with your vector avatar. If you made your vector avatar with the help of this tutorial, tag me on Instagram or Twitter. I will love to see what you make. If you really enjoy this video, like, comment and subscribe. Do whatever you want because I will make more and more amazing videos for you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations.